Welcome to my Crystal Healing course. I'm Melissa. I'm an energy healer and teacher, a Usui Reiki master teacher and practitioner. I'm also an author, blogger, podcaster, and speaker. I absolutely love helping others learn easy, actionable ways to improve their own lives and to improve the lives of others. In this particular course, we're going to focus on crystal healing. Whether it's from their symbolism of wealth and power, to the belief in their special healing qualities, or through the contribution that they make in our modern society, I think we can all agree that crystals have long held our attention and fascination. But many think they're just rocks. But are they? In this course, I'm going to help you discover the hidden in plain sight qualities of crystals and how they can contribute those qualities into our everyday lives. I'll go and explain the how and why behind crystal healing and focus specifically on their energetic qualities that they can contribute to us. To put things in a little bit more context when I speak about their energetic qualities and how they can actually contribute to our own well-being if they're harnessed correctly, I explain a little bit more in my other course, which has a handbook called Energy Healing Through Reiki. In that particular course, I explain how we are all energy and we are all connected. And since we are all energy and energy has a frequency or vibration, then it stands to reason that everything has a frequency and vibration and therefore can affect the other. And that includes crystals. But why crystals? What's so special about them? Well, I'll go into more detail as we progress through the course, but let's just say for now that their composition lends itself to actually help transmit and channel energy more effectively than other everyday items. In this particular course, what I'm going to do is give you some step-by-step guidance on how you can actually apply this learning into real-world application. I'm going to start off by explaining a little bit of the science behind crystal healing. Then I'll move into the how and why crystals are actually special to our purpose. I'll then go over chakras and how they're important in this particular course, as well as how to choose, place, and cleanse your crystals. Then the latter half of the course book is actually set up in a sort of reference style format. So that way you'll be able to quickly refer to a particular chakra or stone or situation, and then you'll be able to apply that particular healing technique on yourself or on another. You definitely don't need any previous experience to take this course. However, if you are already an energy healer or healer, such as a Reiki practitioner, perhaps a chiropractor, or in some other loving healing modality, there is the option for you to obtain a certificate of completion from me, which you'll learn about at the end of the course. Okay, so are you ready to get started? Let's dive into the science behind crystal healing.